Hello students, today we are starting our next chapter, or we can say our last chapter in history, and this is very important chapter, nationalism in India. In this chapter we will discuss about the struggle for freedom which Indian has had faced during British rule. So first we will start with its history. In Europe, modern nationalism led to the formation of nation states. Sense of belonging was created through symbols and icons, songs, patriotic songs, and it also redefines the boundaries of communities. In India also, many other countries, India, Vietnam, and many other countries of Asia, the growth of modern nationalism is intimately connected with the anti-colonial movements. People discovered their unity in the process of their struggle against colonialism. So, start किया freedom struggle. How they started? Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. During the First World War period, in the year 1913 to 1918, the First World War period was that created extreme hardships for the people. The peasantry suffered heavy rents and taxes, plus they are forced to work in the rural areas, which caused widespread anger among the farmers. After the war, import of foreign goods started once again and foreign capital began to be invested on a large scale while the Indian industries faced closure. अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज खोलते जा रहे थे फॉरेन की और इंडियन कंपनीज बंद हो रही थी. द वार लेड टू अ ह्यूज इंक्रीज इन द डिफेंस एक्सपेंडिचर विच वॉज फाइनेंस्ड बाय increased taxes and war loans. Custom duties were raised and income tax was introduced in India. So, Mahatma Gandhi assumed leadership of the oppressed classes. Oppressed classes means जो जिनको दबाया जाता था, जिनको प्रेशर में रखा जाता था, and groups when he returned from South Africa in 1915. जब गांधी जी 1915 में साउथ अफ्रीका से वापस आए थे, उस समय की बात बता रहे हैं. एंड ट्राइड टू फॉर्ज देम टुगेदर इन वन मूवमेंट थ्रू अ novel method of mass agitation. Then in 1916, Mahatma Gandhi traveled to Champaran in Bihar to inspire the peasants against the oppressive plantation system. And in 1917, he organized Satyagraha to support the peasants of Kheda district in Gujarat. And in 1918, he went to Ahmedabad to organize Satyagraha movement amongst the cotton mill workers. So he did this for the against the colonialism. He believed that the British rule in India was established with the cooperation of Indians. So if Indians refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse. बिना इंडियंस की मदद के ब्रिटिशर्स यहाँ पे सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते थे. So in 1919, the British passed the Rowlatt Act that gave them enormous powers to repress political activities and allowed imprisonment of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Mahatma Gandhi then launched a nationwide satyagraha. Rallies were organized in various cities. Workers went on strike in railway workshops and shops were closed. Jallianwala Bagh massacre was an important question for this. Question may come from about Rowlatt Act, about Gandhiji's different सत्याग्रह movements. मैप में भी सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट की लोकेशंस को पूछा जाएगा आपसे इस चैप्टर में ना. जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर का क्वेश्चन आएगा, रॉलेट एक्ट का आएगा, देन प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स का क्वेश्चन आएगा इसमें से. So be prepared with this chapter.